Urinary tract infection can cause irregular and frequent urination, abdominal pain, and other dangerous symptoms. Although any sign of these symptoms requires immediate medical attention, there are some precautions you can take to ensure a child's safety from this disease. Most kids, due to their playfulness and their distractions, forget to urinate at regular intervals. Holding back or urine retention is one of the leading causes of urinary tract infections. Although it is not possible to get the children to remember about their urinary habits, it must slowly be ingrained in them. To help get a better understanding of how regular intervals works, make an intensive schedule and stick to it on their room wall. With initial pushes from the parents to follow the schedule, and a few days of following it will put the children into the routine of doing the same. Create a water flow chart. One of the easiest and best ways to flush out toxins from the system is to have plenty of fluids every day. Water is the best remedy for most problems and the most common preventive measures for all illness. Likewise, intake of water will promote proper working of the urinary tract and regulate bladder working. Creating a water flow chart will help you keep a track of the water consumed and remember for constantly having water. Give fiber-rich diet. A fiber-rich diet will be big help for healthy bowel movement. This in turn prevents any infections that might happen because of irregular and hygienic bowel movements. Fiber-rich foods such as green leafy vegetables, fresh peas, beans, lentils should be included in the daily diet of an individual for an enriched food diet. Try to maintain good toilet hygiene. One main thing that all parents should remember to teach their kids is to always practice good toilet hygiene. Washing and wiping clean of all areas connected to the urinary system is one of the easiest ways to prevent urinary tract infection. This is because of the most common ways of getting urinary tract infection is through infected water or by unclean toilet practices. Hence, from a young age, cultivating this habit is essential for a good and hygienic lifestyle. Proper dress for prevention. Something that is always advised, regardless of whether it might prevent urinary tract infection or not, is to wear breathable and airy clothes. Clothes that have space for air to get through will prevent bacteria or any other fungal elements to breed on the children's skin. Materials like cotton, jute, and lighter materials like crepe and chiffon will be ideal for this purpose. This way, the child will be safe from urinary tract infection as well as feel fresh and comfortable. With the constant pollution and dirt present in outside environment, any amount of caution will prevent to be useful for the long run. Although these measures will help in preventing urinary tract infection, this infection is quite easily contractable in children, especially due to their playful nature. In the case of any sign of urinary tract infection in your child, consult a pediatric urologist would be the best course of action. If you find any symptoms in your child, please contact doctor immediately. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching this video.